What's up, my soul squad? It is Friday. Happy TGIF. Hope everybody is staying home and staying safe. Guys, it's been about 3 years, I just checked, since I made my famous peach cobbler. Why it's famous? Because it's famous in my house and everybody love it. And they have not had it in 3 years. So guess what? They're going to have it today. And then I'm thinking about it's going to be our Easter Sunday dessert as well. So I wanted to bring it back to you guys and let you guys know all about this peach cobbler. Oh, thank you guys for the flour. I premiered my spicy flour. I put it on the community group. Guys, I am completely sold out the spicy, the regular. But guess what? It's coming back next week for those of you, for people who, for everybody who didn't get a chance to get it, it is coming back. Thank you guys so much. So the first thing you want to do when you're getting started and making this whole peach cobbler thing is that choose your dish. I'm making a small one, so I'm just using my regular old glass pie pan. So, but you have to do your butter. You gotta do peach cobbler, you gotta have your unsalted butter, and you have to melt that. So you have to preheat your oven like I did on 350, and it's ready to go. I'm gonna take this butter, place it in the dish that I'm using. The whole stick. Butter makes everything. This is not a diet dessert. This is something that is like comforting, warm. You can put some whipped cream or ice cream on it. Last video we did ice cream. This video I'm not doing any of that. I'm working with what I have in the home, but I am going to top it differently. The last video I didn't use a cinnamon and sugar topping. This one, I'm going to top it with some cinnamon and sugar. I'm going to place this in the oven. Yes, I got my little stove thing over here. We're going to let that melt. While that's melting, let's get down to making the peaches. I'm using these small cans of peaches because that's all I can find in the store. Serpent oil, all 3 cans. If you get like the wholes or halves or whatever, cut them in half. But I really try to just look for the cans. Do it already sliced peaches, you know, guys. I'm going at serpent oil because that is a crucial part. You don't want a dry peach cobbler. Ooh, look at that. And in this peach cobbler, it's quick and simple. 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 Okay. I'm turning the stove on a medium. Oh, I had that sugar. Take some cinnamon. This is what I do. About 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, guys. Going in this pan, the peach cobbler to cook, and then I'm gonna go in with some sugar and about a couple of tablespoons, maybe. That's it. About 3 teaspoons. My peach is already sweet. We're gonna let this come to a boil. I'm gonna stir it up. This is gonna come to a boil. I'm gonna clean up and get rid of all the cans. Let my butter melt. And we're going to come back and put together the dough that we're going to pull on top of these peach cobbler. Oh, look at that. Oh, can't forget this. I got to have some vanilla. This is a teaspoon of vanilla. This is a teaspoon. Oh my goodness, that smells good. Yes. Be back. Okay, guys, my peaches is ready. It's really nothing to get ready to the peaches. About a good 10-minute warm-up while the butter is cooking, because I'm just infusing the cinnamon flavor, vanilla, and extra sugar. Now, my butter's melted in my glass dish. I don't even need the vanilla no more. In this bowl, 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Now, this is the trick. You can use a self-rising flour. That will eliminate the baking powder agent. I don't have self-rising. So to this, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder because I wanted to rise, you know, get that rise thing going on. So let me make sure I got my thing right. Yeah, a teaspoon. Level it off. And then even if you do have some rising flour, I will still add just a teaspoon of baking powder just because that's what I do. I just wouldn't be right if I didn't. Okay, so that's 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm gonna make sure I get all that. And 1.5 cup of sugar. This is my cinnamon sugar mix that I have right here. It's just basically about 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. This is the mix that I will be, you know, just sprinkling over top of my peach cobbler. Didn't do that in that video from 3 years ago. You know, every time you do a video, you're gonna switch something up. That's gonna make a big difference in flavor. So I had 2% milk. Is what the store had. I'm telling you, stores don't have anything. So we're working with a lot of what we could work with these days. And I'm going in with a cup of milk. And basically, I'm going to pour this. It's my batter. I'm only using a cup of milk, but if I need more, you know, I'll add more. This is cooled down. So I'm going to take some of this butter. Not much, but just a little. Pour into my batter. And this is my batter. It's that quick, it's that simple, it's that easy. So I'm just mixing up my mix. It's a little bit too thick for me. I'm just gonna add a teeny bit more milk. So I'm gonna show, that's about maybe 2 tablespoons more. So I just wanted it a little looser than that, you know? So when I pour it, it does what I wanted to do. It does what I wanted to do. There you go. That's how I want it. See that? See that? That's how I want it. Now, here comes the bride. You know, that's my Russell Flat song. Look at these gorgeous peaches, guys. Adding on that butter. Look at that. Tell me. I know I love cake. And I told you guys that cake is my weakness. And which it really is. But sometimes you want to switch the desserts up. So this is 3 cans of 12 ounce. 12 ounces. Oh, look at that. They ain't got enough peaches. I might have too much. But you want a peach in every bite. And I let them juices go in there too. I want it all. I want it all. I think that's a commercial. I've seen that commercial somewhere. With that butter. That's the sauce back right there. And look at this. We're just going to pour.
Why you don't use no Vaseline?
Just pull this over top of here. Just like this. Mmm. It's going to do its thing. Hoping to do its thing with an old form. So now, look at that. I want to take my cinnamon and sugar. And I'm just putting it all over here. As much as you want. Remember. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. Get that cinnamon and sugar all around in there. Oh, there it is. I want every bit of the dough. This is going in my oven, guys, on 350 for about 40-45 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, Soul Squad. Have we left this camera? I got kind of scared. I think it's a little bit too much for my pie pan. So now I realized I had an aluminum pan. So basically what I did, you know what? You can't mess this up because it's all just about the dough and the peaches being mixed up together. So I just dumped everything out this pie pan into this pan and look at it. My son's like, oh, you done messed up. No, I didn't. This is still going to come out great. But I did this video for you guys because if it would have overflowed and messed up, I couldn't have posted the video. So, quick thinking on my feet. Memory came back to life. Now this is going in the oven. You still see the cinnamon sugar. You still see the dough mixture and the peaches. This is going to be so amazing. Okay, guys, we're back. Look at this peach cobbler. Tell me, did I do right by switching the pans out? And you see that golden crisp and everything? This is it. Listen to this. That's that cinnamon sugar. That's a good crust, that cinnamon sugar. And so it cooked for the time that was allowed, and I let it sit about 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna go in. Oh my God. If you got something to go with this, please have something to go with that. Look at that crust. It smells so good. And this is what I do, is that, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that looks so amazing. The peaches and the bread, that crust. Oh my goodness. It smells wonderful in here. Should I dare taste it? Yes, she should, because it's mine and I made it. Ooh, I gotta get that crust and the peaches. Add some ice cream to that gooiness. Y'all ready? And it's still a little bit hot, a little bit warm. I think the bread, the crust is my favorite part. Look at this. Look at that. This crust is amazing. You taste all the cinnamon and the sugar. And look, is it so crispy? Oh, good. It's so good. Like, share, subscribe. Get it deals a thumbs up. Go through that playlist. Oh my God. Don't nobody say nothing. Keep it to yourself. We all know what I'm talking about. Okay, good. That cinnamon, the sugar, the vanilla from the peaches, and cinnamon crust is crunchy. I haven't eaten breakfast. This is breakfast. I mean, that cinnamon flavor is wonderful. Y'all say like, share, and subscribe? You know what to do. I'm out.